Suno AI new update, what's changed and how to use it. In this video, I'll show you Suno AI new update, what's changed and how you can use it. So let's get started on discussing what's new in Suno AI version 4.5. So first would be the song editor and stem separation. You can now edit individual sections of a song, replace lyrics, adjust BPM, and rearrange lyrics with drag and drop ease. Second thing new to Suno AI would be advanced prompt engineering. Suno now supports more nuanced prompts with genre fusion, emotional tone, and stylistic influence. Next would be creative sliders and style control. New sliders let you control style influence and weirdness, giving you more control over how closely the output matches your prompt. Next would be audio upload and vocal input. You can now upload your own audio or voice sketches and let Suno build around them. And lastly would be extended song length and BPM control. So to be able to use Suno AI, first you need to head over into the create section. And then on the simple section, go ahead and describe your song, select your inspiration. You can also upload your audio or lyrics or select instrumental if you want to create an instrumental song, and then click on that create button to let Suno AI generate the song for you. So at the right side of your screen, you'll be able to find all of the results of the generation of Suno AI. So you can go ahead and publish your song, unlike your song, like your song, delete your song, or redo your song by clicking on the three dots at the right side of that specific song.